Maybe it's pretty fire. Testing. Man, I hate using these things, man. Anyway, peace and love, guys. Today we have the 992, and we're going to go ahead and take a look at these real quick. Last time I had a pair of these were the 99, what are those, 2000Rs? No, those are like 2002R. I don't know. And I mean, they're beautiful shoes. These were also sent by today's gifter, so shout out to you guys. They sent those as well, the 991s, which were the Steve Jobs shoes. And we have the shoe that Steve actually switched to, which is this 992. And I really wish I had this gray pair right here, but you know, it is what it is. All those are dope. It's got the date on them. So these are the 992s. And I know New Balances, I know they're not everyone's cup of tea. But for me, as of lately, I've been loving them a little bit more than the typical Jordan 1s and not New Balances, Air Force 1s and all that. And it's just something different. Of course, I'm a dad, and these are very comfortable. These are the medium version. And if you're wondering, medium is like the standard, the normal size for men or women. But when you start getting into the E's and triple E's and stuff like that, the wider the shoe gets from what I learned. And I know, like, if you're not in the New Balances and all you're hearing is 992, 991, it's like, what are we doing here? It's like, there's the 991s. It took me a while to kind of even learn these numbers. And it's like, what are we talking about? We got numbers, we got widths, and that's exactly what I like about New Balances. Plus, they've been making these shoes for, what does that say? That's basically saying we've been making dad shoes for over 75 years, and they've been amazing with premium materials and good quality. Like, this was one of the most expensive New Balances that they ever made. I don't know, that's why Steve Jobs was wearing it, but this was the most expensive, mostly due to the cushioning system that they implemented here, which is the Absorb with a Z. And they also use this, it's called the end cap system, and it's kind of a mixture of the Absorb and basically a bunch of polyurethane and EVA. That's all it really is. And again, what I like about New Balances, it's not just about soft cushion, it's about support as well. So you get the best of both. And I believe New Balances are typically running shoes, but I just see people rocking them. I hardly ever see people running in these. If I do see somebody that's serious about running in their shoes, it's never like a Nike or a New Balance or even Adidas. It's like those Brooks or something like that. And the Brooks shoes and other specific running shoes, they don't really have a lot of leathers and suedes like New Balance. Like, New Balance uses a lot of premium suedes and leathers and things like that. And today's running shoes, they use nothing but synthetics. So I don't really know where they fit in the running world. And I'll probably never know because I don't really run in the streets like that, or not anymore. But here's an inner look at the shoe. That insole that you saw, it looked like a bunch of ortholite, didn't look like polyurethane. And that's another look at the Absorb technology. And it's really, really comfortable, not Boost comfortable, like, which I'm kind of over the whole Boost thing anyway, because that's just a bunch of squishiness. When I start wearing New Balances, it was like, oh, there is a such thing as support in a shoe. And I don't know if I have a wide foot, but I would actually like to try an E-size New Balance just to see. So here's that 911 again. Personally, I still like the silhouette of the 991 over this 992. And I think it's because if I had the gray from that 991 right there on this 992, I would be in heaven. And I could go to heaven. I could go to StockX right now, but these things go for, in a size 9.5 or, well, in 10, they go for like $300, $350, and I'm not trying to spend that money when I have these two pair of gifted shoes in my hand. So it's like, it is what it is. But both shoes are great. All three shoes that they sent me are great. Shout out to the gifter. I don't think they'll be sending me any more New Balances. I think we're going to do like some Kobe's or Nikes or something like that, because I kind of owe them one. I can tell they really didn't want to send me the New Balances anyway, because the videos don't do that well. It's kind of like a acquired taste. But we'll keep the content going. I love you guys. Peace and love, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace. All right. That should probably do it. I try to make it eight minutes, but it's just a New Balance.